a person in Krishna consciousness should not be attached either to the good result or bad result. Because even if I want good result, that is my attachment. And of course, if there is bad result, we haven't got any attachment, but sometimes we lament. That is our attachment. That is our attachment. So, one has to transcend both from the good result and the bad result. How it can be done? It can be done just like if you are working on account of some big firm. Suppose you are a salesman. You are working on behalf of that big firm. Now suppose if you make $1 million profit, you have no attachment for that because you know that this profit goes to the proprietor. You have no attachment. Similarly, if there is some loss, you also know that I have nothing to do with the loss, and it goes to the proprietor. Similarly, if we work on account of Krishna, then I shall be able to give up the attachment for the result of the work.